Section 1 Introduction Lecture 1 Introducing ArcGIS Pro. Good day GIS lovers. Welcome to this online course of ArcGIS Pro. Do you want to do your GIS task smartly, easily by using dynamic tools of GIS? Then this course is for you. If you don't have ArcGIS Pro software, then don't worry. In this course, we will learn how to get ArcGIS Pro software free for 23 days and how to install this in detailed step-by-step process. Not only that, we will learn how to work with raster data in 3D Basemap. This one is raster data in this local scene map project. How to add raster data in 3D Basemap, how to edit Shapefile in 3D map. Not only that, we will learn how to work with ArcGlobe, which is known as global scene in ArcGIS Pro, how to work with ArcScene, which is known as local scene in ArcGIS Pro, how to organize and combinedly do 2D map, 3D maps, and more than 2 or 3 projects in one interface smartly and easily. ArcGIS Pro provides us a wonderful interface in where we can do both 2D map, 3D map related work. In this course, we will learn dynamic symbology. We will learn also dynamic level visibility by using shortcut method in ArcGIS Pro. See this, the label will be invisible after certain scale. After zoom in a certain scale, the label will be visible, same as like Basemap. Not only that, we will learn many dynamic symbologies both in map, global scene, and ArcScene project. And at the final stage of this course, we will learn how to create WebGIS project by using ArcGIS Pro easily. Yes, we will learn also this. So if you want to learn all of this to make yourself advanced GIS specialist, then enroll in this course and enjoy GIS.